We often contemplate the vastness of the cosmos and the mysteries of black holes. But what if we could bring a black hole to Earth? Not literally, of course. In this thought experiment, we're going to explore the hypothetical. What if we could create a black hole right here on our own planet? Fasten your seatbelts because things are about to get weird. So let's imagine the impossible for a moment. What if, through some incredible feat of engineering, we managed to create a black hole right here on Earth? First things first, we need to understand that black holes are not cosmic vacuum cleaners. They don't suck up everything in their path like a giant intergalactic dustbuster. Instead, they're objects of immense density with a gravitational pull so strong that not even light can escape. Now, if we were to create a black hole on Earth, even one the size of a pinhead, its density would be unimaginable. We'd be talking about compressing a mass greater than Mount Everest into a space smaller than an atom. The gravitational effects would be catastrophic. Imagine the Earth itself being pulled inwards, spiraling towards this tiny point of infinite density. However, before you start panicking, let me assure you that creating one on Earth is impossible with our current technology. Now, let's say we could create a black hole on Earth. And let's say, hypothetically speaking, you decided to take a leap of faith and jump in. What would happen? Well, you wouldn't just fall straight through. Instead, as you approach the black hole, something called spaghettification would occur. Imagine being stretched like a piece of cosmic spaghetti, your body elongated and contorted by the extreme tidal forces. Eventually, the difference in gravitational pull between your head and your feet would be so great that you'd be ripped apart, atom by atom. But here's the thing. We still don't fully understand what happens inside a black hole. It's a point where our current understanding of physics breaks down. Now, let's shift gears a bit and talk about something a little less terrifying. A planet made entirely of diamond. You heard that right. A whole planet sparkling like a celestial jewel. This isn't just a science fiction fantasy. There's actual scientific evidence to suggest that such a planet could exist. In 2004, astronomers discovered a massive white dwarf star about 50 light-years from Earth. This star, named BPM 37093, is unique because it's essentially a giant diamond. White dwarfs are the remnants of dead stars that have collapsed in on themselves. As they cool down over billions of years, the carbon atoms inside these stars begin to crystallize, forming a giant diamond structure. Now imagine a planet that formed from the debris of a star like BPM 37093. This planet would be incredibly dense, with a surface pressure millions of times greater than Earth's. But the very existence of such a planet sparks our imagination and reminds us of the boundless wonders that the universe holds. Now, before we wrap up our cosmic journey, I want to share some bone-chilling space facts that will leave you both terrified and utterly amazed. First up, let's talk about rogue planets. These are planets that have been ejected from their solar systems, flung out into the vast emptiness of space like interstellar wanderers. Imagine a planet, perhaps even larger than Jupiter, hurtling through the cosmos with no star to orbit, shrouded in perpetual darkness. That's a rogue planet, and astronomers estimate that there could be billions of them in our galaxy alone. Next, we have gamma-ray bursts, the most powerful explosions in the universe. These bursts release more energy in a few seconds than our sun will emit in its entire 10 billion-year lifespan. And here's the scary part. If a gamma-ray burst were to occur within a few thousand light-years of Earth, it could strip away our ozone layer, leaving us vulnerable to deadly radiation from the sun. And finally, let's talk about the Big Rip. This is one of the possible scenarios for the end of the universe, where the expansion of space accelerates so rapidly that it tears apart everything in its path. From hypothetical black holes on Earth to diamond planets and terrifying cosmic events, we've explored some of the most mind-boggling aspects of our universe. Remember, we are just a small part of something much grander than ourselves, a cosmic tapestry woven with threads of mystery, wonder, and a touch of fear. Keep looking up, keep asking questions, and never stop exploring the wonders of the cosmos. Hi, this is your host Rumela. Thank you for watching. For more such videos, like and subscribe to my channel.